Got 2 new pickups in from Supreme. This was the Emilio Pucci collaboration. Still waiting on my box logo. It's coming. It's coming. I hit team manual, so I'm super happy about that. Let's take a look. Got 2 box logo stickers. We have here Emilio Pucci Supreme. This is the Zippo. Oh yeah. Made in the USA. This is Zippo. Check this out. Bang. Here you go. That is a Zippo. I picked up this colorway in the pink. Take a look at this one. I think this one is the spray can set that I picked up. Team manual. I haven't been picking up a lot. Summer tees are this week, and I will be picking up tees because that's the only thing that I like from Supreme, usually the tees. I got 2 stickers here. I haven't got box logos in a long time. Here it is, the spray can set. The Supreme. Here's the bag, the tag. Montana mini can set of 6. Let's take a look. Right here, Montana cans. Supreme. Nice little box. Montana cans. And bam! Has all 6 colors. Spray can. Here you go. Black, blue, pink, yellow, gray, and red. So yeah, just a quick pickup. Box logo coming. I'll make a video on that. Other than that, subscribe. Catch you on my next video. I'm out. Peace.